Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to delete user accounts in Google Workspace. Now this is fairly simple to do. It's actually a very easy step-by-step process. So as you can see, all you have to do is first log in into your account on google.com admin. So basically just go there. Now once you reach your account, you will basically have users. You can manage users or you can delete users right from the get-go. Or what you can do is click on the user menu option, and from there you can go and click the more drop down on the right side of the user. You have a drop down where you can go and delete user. That's how easy it is, right? And from there you just click delete, and that's pretty much it. You can also go and when you reach your first page or your dashboard, you'll basically have a add user or delete user, or you will have manage users. So wherever it says manage users, that means that you can actually go and manage your users. As you can see, you can also manage your plan as well and select a lower amount of users you wish to downgrade to. That can also be the case if you want to downgrade. However, in most cases, you just want to delete your user that is on your account. So that's pretty much it. It's very simple. If you have any questions or comments, you can always comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.